Popular spa here. Yes! All about Carla Spa Bali. The most popular. Yes. Nice seating area inside here. Shaking the cocktails now. Ooh la la. TV in the back there. A few customers inside. Hello, how are you, madam? Good, good. Oh, good evening. How are you? No. Different colours. Hocker as well there. Side. And many. 2 p.m. Half baby rack of ribs. 99 size there. How are you? Always very tomahawk. Lamb cutlets. Nice. Scoops of torch. Some of the menu here. Many. Here, this is the very popular one at the moment. The friendly ladies here. Say hello! Jeez. Special for coffee snob. 20. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around 7 p.m. I'm here in the Legian area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a street walking tour along a section of the street of Jalan Padma Utara. So in my previous videos, I've already featured 2 videos along the street of Jalan Padma Utara. In tonight's video, this will be the completion of Jalan Padma Utara, and my starting point will be from the Campi and 7 hotels, and I'll be walking all the way through to the Zest Hotel. So as I'm walking along the street, I'm going to take in all of the hotel accommodation options, all of the restaurants, lots of tourist goods shopping in this area, and just give you a general idea of what you can expect from this very popular tourist area here in the Legian area of Bali. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a street stroll here in Legian. Okay, so here's a start point for tonight's video. Directly in front of the camera is a 7 Hotel ex Swiss Bell. We have the corner bar on the corner here. I'll take you and give you a closer look at that in a minute. We have the Sinar Bali Hotel just down the side street there. We have the Campi Hotel here also. So there's the entrance to the Campi Hotel. There's the Sinar Bali just down in the bottom there. And we're going to be heading along this section of Jalan Padma Utara in tonight's video. So we'll just show you the corner bar and restaurant here. A few people at the front here. Not so busy, but a few people in it. A few people, tourists walking on the street now. We're just heading this direction. So we have a little tourist goods shop just on the side there. Also some tour information, tour booking, things of that nature. Just getting beeped at by the car, so I had to stop the filming. We have Sammy's restaurant here, Jalan Padma Utara, number 05, Legian. There's a few customers inside of there, all Western tourists to see. There's some of the menu here. Happy hours on the cocktails, 70k for all day. There's some tourist goods shops across the street here. We'll pick up more tourist goods shops as we continue on. Have Carla Spa there. I'll say hello to the girls at Carla Spa. So this is probably the most popular spa in Bali. Hello, good evening, how are you? Show me the love, girls. Whee! Probably the most popular spa here. Yes! All about Carla Spa Bali. The most popular spa in Bali, yeah?
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
It's all there at Carla Spa. Mini Mart convenience store just next door there. We have Mugshot across the street there, however that's already closed, so I'm not sure whether it's closed permanently or not. We have Amazing Ink Tattoo Studio as well here. Amazing Inks. Looks so the guys are inside there. Hi brother. We have Relax Bali Spa here, another massage spa. Hello, good evening, how are you? No love? Oh. It's Relax Bali Spa. We have RDV karaoke bar here. A few customers inside there. Have copyright music on here. Circle K next door. Have Kima Pharmaceutical just next door to that in case you need any headache tablets. It's a pharmacy. We have Calf Magnum and Inner Glow Spa here. delicious breakfast, 65k there. Just take you and show you. So here's the Magnum Cafe here, the sitting area in a glow spa, must be in the back there. Just down the back here we have the Bali Legian, the Bandar, and also the Oz Hotel. It's very busy on the street with traffic. So we've just cut across here just before it closes. We have the Borough Capsule Hostel and the Coffee Terry. Hello, how are you? The friendly ladies here. Hello. Say hello. Yeah, friendly Indonesian ladies there. Also, they're just packing up now. We'll just take you inside, just show you around. Here's the counter. How are you, brother? Oh, no more seating inside. I just inform me it's the hostel upstairs. Okay, so just from the hostel and Coffee Terry there, just turning around, we have the Oz Hotel just on the end here. We also have Romeo's. It's like a bar type restaurant place, sitting at front. I'll just take you through the door and just show you inside. They normally give me permission to show you inside. I'll just take you to the door. Nice entrance here. Nice seating area inside here. Very, very nice in here. How are you, brother? Just give us permission to just take you down here. You have the beautiful seating areas down here. A little bit dark. This is just seating by the road here. Very nice. The guy shaking the cocktails now. Ooh la la, wow. There he goes, pouring the cocktail now. How wonderful is that? Very nice of Romeo's. They're always very friendly with me, always very good, and let me go inside at Romeo's. So we're just walking along the street. We have some tourist goods shops here. I have like a handbag shop here, clearance sale, everything must go, starting from 10k. Some more massage girls at the front here, spa in the back just there, some more tourist goods and things here. And just walking along the street here, we have the Bali Aussie. Oh, there used to be a spit roast at the front here, however it seems that they don't have that now. So they have the big flat screen TV in the back there, a few customers inside. Hello, how are you, madam? Good, good. Bali Aussie, it's quite busy inside of there, there's a few customers inside there. I'll just show you some of the stuff on the menu here. Have the all the sports and things on the TV as well. All there. Just get a better view here, some customers there. Very nice. Just here we have Mandala leather collection. Some leather goods in here. Lots of handbags and things you see inside there. Some of the studded bags, some big bags as well. Bum bags, side bags, lots of different bags inside there. It's all at Mandala collection. I'm just going to continue up here now. I have a side street here, not sure if there's anything down there, but just across here we have the Beach Melite apartments. Never actually featured this. If anybody has a request, I have requested in the past, but they was busy doing renovation. How are you, brother? We have Bali Bondi just across the street here. The restaurant place, that one. Very looks like a tour information, something like that. All your petrol for your motorbikes and things available here. It's usually 13,000 for the Pertalite. Coco Express there. Just turn around and focus on the Bali Bondi again. Just take you to the doorway, just let you have a look inside. It's normally busy, this place, not tonight, but it's normally quite busy inside. Very nice restaurant that. Have another massage spa here, Lunar Spa, beauty spa here. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
How are you, brother?
How are you?
Good, good, good. Oh, Lunar Spa, it's there, yeah. There we go, Lunar Spa. Water feature not turned on. We have the Guardian Pharmacy here if you need any headache tablets. Just continue walking along the street. We have Andy's shop here, 100% genuine imitation, it says on there. Some of the Nike shoes and things here. Some nice trainers, different colours. Hocker as well there. Some very, very nice ones. Also has a collection of watches as well here. Different watches available. Has a Bulbo or Bobo, whatever it's called there. Also has a nice collection of the handbags as well here. Big collection inside the shop there. There is some customers inside. And many. Burberry, Louis Vuitton, Yves Saint Laurent. Many different ones there. Some nice Prada, Christian Dior sandals in the base there. Also has the perfumes here as well. Lots of different perfumes there. I don't know some of these. There's some sets as well there. And we'll just keep walking along the street. Very tourist goods shop here. Some ladies' clothes and things of that nature. Some men's tops. Some funky looking masks here as well. Different characters there. Oh, some if I'm drunk it's her fault. Nike. Some nice ladies' clothes as well there. Fixed price, no bullshit. So just coming out of a shop there, we're going to take you across the street now. We have the Way, Bali Legian Kamakila, however you pronounce that. I can just about pick that up with the camera. It's just in the back there. Never featured this one, another one I'd like to feature. Main entrance is up there. We have Ink Culture across the street. A few tourists just coming along the street now as well. This restaurant in front of the camera is called Bali Legian. We'll just cut across to Ink Culture, just pick up the name here. This is another tattoo studio, just in the back there. Is the name, the Ink Culture. Next door is Bali Legian. There's the Bali Legian. A few customers inside of there. Just show you some of the specials here. Special for coffee snob. 25k seems very reasonably priced, that. Some customers at the front here as well. A very little tourist information tour booking service here, just in the back. Also doubling up as a money changer as well. There's the exchange rates on the board today. And here we have the Fat Buddha Legian. So there's the name, coffee, eatery, bar. Lunch special this Monday to Friday, 11 AM to 2 PM. Half baby rack of ribs, 99k. Seems a very good price for a half rack of ribs. A few customers again inside there. How are you? Always very friendly, this girl at the front here. Cocktail class as well here. Join now. We'll have the bourbon chicken. Aussie tomahawk. Lamb cutlets. They must have some live music on inside of there. Groups of tourists in there. In here as well. Just continue walking up the street. After that music, have a Danneman ATM machine there. I wouldn't advise using any ATM machines like that. General practitioner in the back there in case any of you need to use that. Hopefully you never do during your holiday. Some tourist goods again here, some more handbags and things here. This guy's got the handbags in the boxes there, nice for taking home as a gift. Wallets, hats, got a nice collection of the hats as well. Many. Lots of tourist goods in there. We have Let's Bali Spa here. Good evening, ladies. How are you? No? Woo, the friendly massage girls there at the front. Let's Bali Spa. Now we have a big collection of tourist goods shops all along here. Oh, he's got bags on this side. Never usually has the bags on this side before. All different kinds of bags, handbags, sports bags, backpacks, all different ones. Has a nice collection of caps as well there, sunglasses, singlets, sports shirts, all the bags and things here. Lots of stuff stacked up. That's stuff for the kiddies as well. Oh, we have this one here. This is the very popular one at the moment. Nice little t-shirt. First time I've seen a t-shirt. Has a nice collection of the caps as well. Yeah, very, very nice. Some of the Bali surfboards, they can usually put your names and things on all of these as well if you ask them. Different sizes. It's a bamboo that's made of fridge magnets as well. Inside there. Also got a nice collection of the sunglasses at the front here. All the different types of sunglasses. Looks like they're polarized. Some of those different colours as well. Oh, those are nice. How are you, brother? Yes. Nice collection of hats again here. New Era, Bali caps, Raiders. I love the New Era caps. Again, another big collection of sunglasses. Have the stubby holders here, bin tang. Nice collection of men's clothes here, ladies' bikinis as well. Some curtain, bronze, brass curtain holders, bottle openers, and things of that nature there. A little tourist information tour booking service here again. Love your tours. Lots of tourist goods shopping all along this section of street, selling literally everything. There's an LOL bag here. Some nice collection of bags here again, all of the LOLs, Louis Vuitton.
Good price, good price.
Good price, sir, yeah?
Yeah.
No name, no?
No name, no money, but my name.
No name, no money. More sports shirts and things in here, more caps, sunglasses, all things of that nature. All pretty much selling all of the same thing. Some of the nice sandals again here, Adidas, McDonald's, Gucci. All the bags and things here again. And then we're just about coming to the end. Hello, good evening, ladies. How are you?
Good, how are
Good,
you?
good, good, good.
Thank you, thank you.
And then just here we have the Legian Zest Hotel. I've featured this in a video, so I'll add the link in the description for you. Nice simple hotel that. Just give you a better angle on the hotel. There's a Legian Zest. And here we are at the end of the video now. So this is the street of Jalan Padma here. We have the Sendok in Mass across the street there. We have the J & Bar and Kitchen on the end here. Just show you inside of here because it is attached to the Zest Hotel. Have a few Western customers inside of there. Some more over the side as well there. And then that's where we're going to finish tonight's video. This will be for another video. Wow. Just want to show you here the Sendok and Mass. Very, very, very busy inside of the Sendok and Mass there. Lots of customers inside there. Nice. Okay, so that concludes this evening's video. My street stroll here in Legian along the section of the street of Jalan Padma Utara. So as you've seen with the camera in tonight's video, a few hotel accommodation options, lots of tourist goods shopping in particular on this section of street. Quite a few restaurants also. Please don't forget I have featured Jalan Padma Utara and two other separate videos, different sections of the street. I shall add the links to those videos in the video description of this video. All in all, this is just a really popular tourist area to stay here in the Legian area of Bali. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed this evening's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and I shall say bye for now.